taught us to howl at the moon, baby girl? Did Grandpa? Where's Grandpa? Show Mama where Grandpa is. Where's Grandpa? It's a yellow ball. Oh, thank you. Where's Grandpa? Ow! Show me where Grandpa is. Who taught us? Who taught us to howl at the moon? Grandpa? Where's Grandpa? Ow! Where's Grandpa? You don't know? Where is he? Where's Grandpa? Is he up your sleeve? No, Grandpa's not up your sleeve. Where's Grandpa? Where's Grandpa? What do you have up there? You want to take that off? We can take it off. Where's Grandpa? Is Grandpa up here? Elena. Is Grandpa up here? Is Grandpa? That's right. That's what Grandpa does. Silly girl. Okay, let's get you changed. Changed. Yes.